It don't work as good no more, huh? We had a bad storm this weekend. And we had 2 of them. That one got shredded by the wind and everything. It just got ripped apart, yeah? Sidewalk, jump. Before you trip and fall. The ants go marching one by one, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching one by one, hurrah, hurrah. What smells good? Do the flowers taste good? That smells good? I don't think so. Smell good. Look at our shadows. Oh, they disappeared. Where's our shadows? There they coming. Our shadows. Hi there, shadow people. Uh-oh, the bumblebee broken, huh? All of hers were knocked down. One broke. She got them back up. They're live. They're live and kicking, yes? You didn't bring your stick, man. What is that? What are you doing there? What is that called? What is that? The chicken dance? You're amazing. Remember the ants are on the ground. Unless you want an ant bite again. I suggest you get up. Let's go get your nerdy stick. Sing a song. That's not a song. Unless you make up a song out of it. S is for spinners. Spinners, spinners, spinners. S is for spinners. Spinners, spinners, spinners. I like spinners. They're so cool. They make me happy and act the fool. Spinners, spinners, spinners are so cool. They make me happy and act the fool. There's your crazy sticks. We have a fishing rod and an ultra rare. Or is that a douse? For haunted dolls. Okay, back to the spinners with the sticks. Her crazy sticks. A little girl and her sticks. Yeah, be careful, you hit the little cracks there, it's gonna jam the stick backwards. Or if you got forward motion. Just be careful. You see a shadow? Yes, stay out of that yard though. Get on the sidewalk. Keep going forward. You look like a bug with like antennas. You look like a cricket or a beetle. You do look like a beetle with your sticks. You're so nerdy. Wow. Look at you. Look at me. Say cheese. Look at the camera. Smile. Say cheese. Cheese. Say cheese, you knuckle brain. Ouch.
Where's your shirt? Where's it?
Booger into the seat. Okay. Oh, there was. Oh, it's all on my shirt. Thank you. I got Ron a booger on my shirt. What's ultra rare? Yeah. You broke it. What happened? What happened, Jay? It is, isn't it? You're such a tomboy. Stop right now. Thank you very much. All I need is my super sticks. Yes, you, always on the run. Wow, Vogue, Vogue. Strike a pose, Vogue. Move to the music, Vogue, Vogue. Ooh, now you're skating? You're such a tomboy. Wow, it's like skiing. I know you ain't putting your boogers on me. She put her boogers on me. Yeah, well. You can't go in their yard, that's their house, not ours. You got your whipping sticks. Stay over here. You're so strange. You're so strange. Nah, we'll do that later. We're gonna play water table later. Yeah. Maybe we'll get some Orbeez in there. But after that time, no.